Well, hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tonya and you have dropped in on Love to Create by Tonya, and I sure do hope that you stick around. I love to create home decor on a budget for my home. Now, I live in a small home nestled in the mountains of the Carolinas, and it's a beautiful area here. We have the Blue Ridge Parkway. The seasons are beautiful when they change, and I'll try to share some of that along the way on our journey through creating and making these beautiful home decor pieces. But everyone, let me tell you a little bit about me. I am a self-taught artist, and I am also a hairstylist. And most of all, I like to come out here in my studio that I had just recently purchased and renovated into this studio, and I will leave a picture of that right up here so you can see that, and also I'll leave a link to that in the description below. Now, I took an 8x12 shed and converted it into a beautiful little studio, so you can always do a small space and make it work for your needs. And I ended up, you'll see here, I put windows and doors and just made this really cozy. So definitely go take a peek at that video in the description below. But everyone, if you enjoy neutral home decor, that is my absolute favorite to create. I love the black and whites, I love the neutrals and the grays, and I definitely like to pop in a pop of color here and there. And I like to create very unique designs, and I like to find different types of objects that I can turn into home decor. I love to go thrifting and do the thrift store makeovers, all the upcycling. I just enjoy all that, and I enjoyed it so much my whole life. And I decided that I wanted to start this YouTube channel so I could share all of my ideas with you and hope that you get inspired by them. So if you enjoy that type of thing, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel so you can ride along with me on this creative journey and we can create together. There will be a lot coming up in 2023. I am really putting everything into creating this channel and making it a wonderful place for myself and for you to enjoy. So like I said, if that is something you enjoy, I hope you hit the subscribe button and become part of my YouTube family. Well, everyone, that is pretty much what Love to Create by Tonya is all about, and I hope to see you here on one of my videos soon, and leave me a comment below and let me know what kind of home decor that you like, and share a little bit maybe about your creating journey. I would love to hear that. Well, everyone, I hope you have a wonderful and blessed week and hope to see you soon.